Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, taking care of yourself. Welcome back in your maths class, class 5th, subject mathematics, chapter 4. Name of the chapter is perimeter, area and volume, and it is our lecture number 4. Today's subtopics are introduction to volume, exercise 4b, question 1 A part, question 2 A part, questions 3 to 5, and worksheet questions 1 to 4. Let's start with our first topic, volume. Volume is the space occupied by a three-dimensional object. The space occupied by a three-dimensional object is called the volume. Okay, now we are talking about three-dimensional object having length, breadth and height. So in a cube, what will be the volume? A cube has side, this side, this side and this side. This side is telling about length, breadth and height. As we know that all the faces have the same measurement. So volume will be side multiply side multiply side. And its unit is cubic unit. Cubic units. Okay. Look here. It is a cube. It is a solid box whose every surface is a square of same area. Every surface is a square. Okay. So volume is side multiply side multiply side. L into L into L. L is length. Same length, and unit will be cubic units. Or we can say volume of cube side multiply side will become area. Area multiply side, cubic units. And see, this is a cuboid. A cuboid is a solid box. This cuboid is a solid box whose every surface is a rectangle of same area or different areas. So cuboid will have a length, breadth and height. Therefore the volume of cuboid will become is equal to length multiply breadth multiply height, cubic units. Let me explain you the properties about cube and cuboid. Look here. In a cuboid, there are rectangular faces. And in cube, square faces are there. And how many faces? Look here. Bottom face, A, B, C, D. Okay. Top face, E, F, G, H. Front face, फ्रंट जो सामने दिख रहा है A B ABFE. Okay. ABFE. Back face. DCGH. DCGH. Side faces. These faces are side faces. In cuboid these are rectangular and in cube these are square. BCF, BCGF, ADHE, BCGF, ADHE. Got it? So these are 6 faces. And how many edges? 12 edges. Which one? AB, BC, DC, AD, and then AE, DH, BF, CG, EF, FG, GH, and EH. This one, EH. So these are 12 edges. Same here. And 8 vertices. A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Similarly here. So understood, in a cuboid there are 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. Same in cube. 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. Right? Look here. 14 multiply 14 multiply 14. Now look here. Length multiply breadth multiply height. Length multiply breadth is area. So we can write down the volume of a cuboid is equal to area of one surface multiply height, cubic units. एक surface का area multiply by the height. Okay. Now we will start exercise 4B, question number 1. Question is find the volume of a cube. Side is given to us 14 centimeter. It is side. Okay. Now you know that volume of a cube is equal to side multiply side multiply side is equal to 14 multiply 14 multiply 14 and centimeter will become cubic centimeter, or we can write down centimeter cube. Now you will multiply 14 with 14, then the answer you will get, and after that you will multiply that answer with the number 14, and then you will get the answer 2744 centimeter cube. Look here how you will do in rough column. First of all, you will multiply 14 with 14. So 14 into 14. 4 4s are 16. 1 carry. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. 1 4s are 4. 1 1s are 1. 6. 4 plus 5 9 1. Now we will multiply the product with next number, that is 14. 4 6s are 24. 4 9s are 36 plus 2 38. 3 carry. 4 1s are 4 plus 3 7. Now put cross sign. 1 6s are 6. 1 9s are 9. 1 1s are 1. Now do addition. 4 8 plus 6, 14, 1 carry. 9, 7 plus 9, 16, 16 plus 1, 17, 7, 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2. So this is our product, 2744. Now we will do second question. Find the volume of a cuboid. Find the volume of a cuboid. It is VOLUME. A part we are going to do. Length is given 15 centimeter. Breadth is 12 centimeter. And height is 3 centimeter. So you will find out the volume. Volume of a cuboid is equal to length multiply breadth multiply height. So 15 multiply 12 multiply 3 centimeter cube. 15 multiply by 12, find out the answer. With that answer you will multiply with 3 and you will get 540 centimeter cube. Next is question number 3. Find the volume of a cuboid of dimensions 18 centimeter multiply 120 millimeter multiply 150 millimeter in cubic centimeter. You have to find out the volume in cubic centimeter, but here millimeters are given. So conversion is needed and then apply the formula. First of all, write down dimensions. Dimensions means it is containing length, breadth and height of a cuboid is equal to 18 centimeter multiply 120 millimeter multiply by 150 millimeter. Okay, now 120 millimeter is equal to 120 upon 10 centimeter, because 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. So it will become 12 centimeter. 0 will cancel. 150 millimeter will become 150 upon 10 centimeter is equal to 15 centimeter. Now volume of a cuboid is equal to length multiply breadth multiply height, and it is given to us 18 multiply 12 multiply 50 centimeter cube. Now we can write down centimeter cube because we have converted this millimeter into centimeter. And after multiplying 18 with 12 and with 15, 18 will be multiplied with 12. Then you will get the product. Multiply that product with 15. You will get 3240 centimeter cube. Next question, question number 4. A brick measures 20 centimeter multiply 10 centimeter multiply 3.5 centimeter. Dimension of a brick is given. How many bricks will be required for a wall of dimensions 25 meter multiply 2 meter multiply 0.35 meter? इन ब्रिक्स से वॉल बनानी है तो कितनी ब्रिक्स की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी? इट इज़ लाइक दिस एज वी हैव डन इन द फॉर फाइंडिंग आउट द एरिया एंड नंबर ऑफ sheets required, or like this we have done previously. Now here it is, the question is about 3 dimensional. So we will find out volume of brick first, then volume of wall. After that we will divide to find out number of bricks. So now we are doing question number 4 of the exercise. 3, 4, 5 we are supposed to do. Question number 4 we will do now. Now write the dimensions of the brick. Of a brick. (20 centimeter multiply 10 centimeter multiply 0.35 3.5, not 0, it's 3.5. Okay, centimeter. So volume of a brick, length multiply breadth multiply height, is equal to 20 multiply 10 multiply 3.5 can be written as 35 upon 10 centimeter cube. 0 0 will cancel, or we can say 10 ones are 10, 10 ones are 10. 35 multiply 20, 700 centimeter cube. Now dimensions of a wall. इन ब्रिक से वॉल बनानी है. सो डायमेंशंस ऑफ ए वॉल 25 मीटर मल्टीप्लाई 2 मीटर मल्टीप्लाई 0.35 मीटर. वॉल्यूम of a wall, length multiply breadth multiply height. So we will multiply 25 into 2 into 35 upon 100 meter cube. After multiplying these terms, numerator terms, we will get 1750 upon 100 meter cube. Cancel the 0. 175 upon 10 meter cube. Now look here, it is in meter cube, but volume of the brick is in centimeter cube, so we will do conversion. 175 upon 10 multiply by 100 into 100 into 100 centimeter cube. Why? Because 1 meter is equal to 100 सेंटीमीटर. तो यहाँ हमने 3 टाइम्स क्यों लिया? बिकॉज द यूनिट इज मीटर क्यूब. 3 बार मीटर है तो उनको तीनों को सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है. 1 0 विल कैंसिल एंड रिमेनिंग नंबर विल बी रिटर्न विद मल्टीप्लीकेशन. सो 175 को जब आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे डायरेक्टली जीरोज यू कैन पुट 1 2 3 4 5 as we have done in oral multiplication. Now we have calculated both the volume, number of bricks required. कितने ब्रिक्स हमें चाहिए वॉल को बनाने के लिए? It will become volume of wall divided by volume of a brick, right? Volume of the wall calculated here, write down, and volume of brick is also calculated. Centimeter cube will cancel, 2 zeros will cancel, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Okay, 7 5s are 35, and then how many zeros? 3 zeros. So how many bricks are required? 25,000 bricks are required. Now question number 5. Find the volume of oil that can be poured into a container of dimensions 13 centimeter multiply 8 centimeter multiply 11 centimeter. Dimensions are given of container. We have to find out the volume of oil. तो जितना डायमेंशन कंटेनर का है उतना ही ऑयल उसके अंदर आ सकेगा ना. जितना नाप एक कंटेनर का है उतना ही लिक्विड उसमें जा सकेगा. So what we will do? We will find out the volume of the container, and that will be the volume of oil which we are going to pour. Understood? So write down dimensions of the container. Container is equal to 13 centimeter multiply 8 centimeter multiply 11 centimeter. All are same centimeter unit, so no conversion is needed. Volume of the container is equal to L into B into H. So 13 multiply 8 multiply 11 centimeter cube. Now we will multiply 13 with 8. The product we will get, that product will be multiplied with 11. And we will get 1144 centimeter cube. Now we will write down volume of oil that can be poured. Poured मतलब डालना, उड़ेलना, is equal to 1144 centimeter cube. Same. Now we will consider worksheet questions 1 to 4. Question number 1. Find the cost of flooring a square room of side 10 meter with marble tiles 25 centimeter multiply 20 centimeter at the rate of rupees 7.50 per tile. कॉस्ट निकालनी है हमें एक स्क्वायर रूम कि जिसकी साइड 10 मीटर है, उसमें मार्बल टाइल्स लगानी है. मार्बल टाइल्स से इसकी फ्लोरिंग करनी है. टाइल्स का आपको मेजरमेंट गिवन है, स्क्वायर रूम की साइड गिवन है, कॉस्ट इज ऑल्सो गिवन पर टाइल, एक टाइल लगाने का खर्चा भी गिवन है. सो हमें निकालना है फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ फ्लोरिंग. तो पूरी फ्लोरिंग के लिए कितना मनी खर्च होगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट डाउन साइड ऑफ अ स्क्वायर रूम 10 meter, then area of room, side multiply side, 10 multiply 10 meter square, 100 meter square. We will convert it into centimeter. 100. Why we have taken 2 times? Because 1 meter 100 centimeter, 1 meter 100 centimeter, and 100 already we have. So how many zeros? 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. It will become 10 lakh centimeter cube. Dimensions of a tile. जो टाइल हमें लगानी है उसका डायमेंशन क्या गिवन है? दैट इज 25 सेंटीमीटर मल्टीप्लाई 20 सेंटीमीटर. ये सेंटीमीटर में है, दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव डन कन्वर्जन हियर. आफ्टर मल्टीप्लिकेशन यू विल गेट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट डाउन एरिया ऑफ अ टाइल. लेंथ मल्टीप्लाई ब्रेथ, 25 multiply 20 centimeter square area is there. So 25 to the 500, 25 to the 50 and 1 0, 500 centimeter square. अब हमें निकालना है कि कितनी टाइल्स चाहिए जो लगानी है फ्लोर पे, तभी तो कॉस्ट निकाल पाएंगे. सो वी विल राइट डाउन नंबर ऑफ tiles required is equal to area of room divided by area of a tile. Ten lakh centimeter cube divided by 500 centimeter a square area is there, because टाइल की लेंथ ब्रेथ होगी, हाइट नहीं होगी. Okay, now 0 will cancel. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 3 more zeros. 2000 tiles are required. So cost of tiling, cost of flooring is given in our question, so we will write flooring. ₹7.50 लगते हैं एक टाइल को लगाने में, और हमें लगानी है 2000 टाइल्स. So we will multiply, and after multiplication we will get our answer 15,000 रुपीज़. इतनी कॉस्ट लगेगी फ्लोरिंग करने में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, डिटरमाइन द नंबर ऑफ यूनिट स्क्वायर्स ऑन अ चेस्ट बोर्ड ऑफ साइड 8 centimeter. दिस क्वेश्चन इज सेम वी हैव डन प्रीवियसली. लुक हियर, in exercise 4a we have done this question. How many number of squares of, here it is written game board, and in worksheet it is written chess board. Measurement is same, so you will find out in the same way. Only the change will be in the place of game board you will add on chess board. Answer will also be same because its side is 8 centimeter in both the questions. So I am leaving this question for your practice. Now question number 3, which is more costly, painting a square wall of side 15 meter at the rate of rupees 5 per square centimeter, or painting a wall 3 meter multiply 5 meter at the rate of rupees 5 per square centimeter. एक स्क्वायर वॉल को पेंट करना है जिसकी साइड गिवन है, कॉस्ट गिवन है, और एक वॉल को पेंट करना है जिसकी लेंथ और ब्रेथ आपको गिवन है, रेट गिवन है. आपको बताना है कौन से पेंटिंग में, कहाँ, मतलब स्क्वायर वॉल की पेंटिंग में या इस वॉल की पेंटिंग में कॉस्ट ज़्यादा लगेगी. ये रेक्टेंगुलर वॉल है. So we will start with solution. Which is costly, you have to find out. So first of all we will find out the side, we will find out the area of square wall. So side of a square wall 15 meter, area of a square wall, side multiply side, so 15 multiply 15 meter square. After multiplication you will get 225 meter square. Now you know how to write it into centimeter. Multiply by 10,000 meter square is there, that's why 100 multiply 100. Directly put the zeros. Long multiplication is not needed. 22,50,000 centimeter square. Now cost of painting the wall. ₹5 multiply by the product 22,50,000. After multiplication you will get the cost ₹1,12,50,000. Now dimensions of the wall. It is dimensions are given 3 meter multiply 5 meter. So here again conversion is needed. 15 meter square will become 4 zeros will be there. 1,50,000 centimeter square. Cost of painting. Dimensions are written. Now we will write down here first volume. Volume or area? Yes, area we will find out. Area of the wall. You know that area of the wall will become 15 meter square, and you will write here area of wall is equal to length multiply breadth. Right. Now cost of painting this wall. ₹5 multiply the product 1,50,000. After multiplication you will get ₹7,50,000. So which cost is more, 1 crore or 7 lakh? This cost is more. So we will write down painting a square wall of side 15 meter is more costly. Now question number 4. A cuboidal tank is 35 meter long and 20 meter wide, having 18 meter high. 35 meter long, 20 meter wide and 18 meter high. टैंक की लेंथ, ब्रेथ और हाइट गिवन है. इट हैज़ वाटर अप टू अ हाइट ऑफ 60 सेंटीमीटर. इसमें 60 सेंटीमीटर तक पानी भरा गया है. हाउ मच मोर वाटर कैन इट होल्ड? कितना पानी और आ सकता है? सो वी विल फाइंड आउट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ cuboidal tank, then volume of the water. Okay, after that we will find out how much more water is it can hold by subtracting. जितना स्पेस बचेगा वो निकालेंगे. So first of all we will write down length of tank 35 meter, breadth of the tank 20 meter, height of the tank 18 meter, volume of the tank L multiply B multiply H. 35 multiply 20 multiply 18 meter cube. After multiplication you will get the product 12,600 meter cube. अगर ये टैंक का वॉल्यूम है तो इतना ही पानी टैंक में आ सकता है, और कितना पानी उसके अंदर है, दैट इज अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर फिल्ड. कितना पानी उसमें भरा है. लेंथ और ब्रेथ तो सेम रहेंगी. हाइट हमें गिवन है 60 सेंटीमीटर. These are given in meter. So 60 centimeter will be converted into meter first. 60 upon 100. So 0.60 meter cube. Got it? Conversion जरूरी है because ये दोनों मीटर में है बेटा. So after multiplication we will get 420 meter cube. इतना पानी उस टैंक में ऑलरेडी है. सो कितना पानी और आ सकता है? मोर वाटर कैन बी फिल्ड इज इक्वल टू total volume multiply the water already present. You will subtract it and you will get your answer 12,180 मीटर क्यूब. ठीक है बेटे. Now it's time to take homework. Your homework is do question 1, B2 D parts, and question 2 B2 D parts of exercise 4B, in which you will find out the volume. Now we will do homework discussion of lecture 3, in which perimeter questions were given to you. Question number 1, B and C parts were given. So I am not writing everything now, because you know how to write the steps. I am telling you that if side is given 12 centimeter, then perimeter will be, it is a square. Find the perimeter of the square. So perimeter will become 4 multiply side. This everything you have to write down. I am giving just reminder. 48 centimeter. Write in the proper way always. C part was given, in which side is given to you 40 centimeter. So perimeter, you can write down perimeter of the square. It is already mentioned that it is a square. So 4 multiply side, 4 multiply 40 centimeter. 4 4s are 16, so 160 centimeter. I hope you have got the correct answers. Now question number 2, find the perimeter of the rectangle. Length is given, breadth is given. Perimeter will become 2 bracket length plus breadth. Question number 2, length and breadth are given. You have to find out the perimeter. So perimeter of a rectangle, 2 bracket length plus breadth. Length and breadth, these are given to us, 11 meter and 7 meter. Length breadth you have to mention here. It is homework discussion, so I am not writing it in detail. But I hope you have written. ऐसा ना हो कि मैं बार बार बोल रही हूँ मुझे लिखना पड़े. These steps should be needed. 2 multiply 11 plus 7, 18. So 18 to the 36 meter. For C part, length is given, breadth is given. Perimeter of rectangle or perimeter, you can leave this also because it is already written. Find the perimeter of the rectangle. 2 bracket length plus breadth. 2 bracket 10 plus 9 meter. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 to the 38 meter. Next question was question number 3. Find the perimeter of the triangle whose sides are 11 meter, 12 meter, 13 meter. So perimeter of the triangle, sum of length of all the sides, 11 plus 12 plus 13. It will become 36 meter. Okay. Perimeter of a triangle, sum of 3 sides. Okay, sum of 3 sides, 11 plus 12 plus 13 मीटर. आप सबके साथ भी अलग अलग मीटर लिख सकते हो. It will become 36 meter. In the same way you will do C part. Sides you will write down first. Then perimeter of the triangle. And what will be the perimeter? Tell me. What is your answer? 50 plus 40, 90. 90 plus 60, 150 centimeter. Have you got the correct answer? You will write down sides of the triangle which are given to you. Then perimeter of the triangle, sum of 3 sides or sum of all 3 sides. Now we will do addition. 50 plus 40 plus 60 centimeter. 150 centimeter. I hope you have got all the answers correct. If not, do correction work. That's all for today. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.